I love the lipstick that you chose. I think
You like that? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it blends in with it better.
Yeah.
Cool.
No, it really looks good. Like, not to toot my own horn, like it really looks good because I've never had a chance to study your face, so that's what's really interesting, or your eyes. But yeah, no, you look good.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have my friend Basil.
Hi.
Do you say
also
Basil or
Basil? People call me Basil or Oxford Basil.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool. So we just finished doing a makeup video on his channel, which is the first part of this video. But for the second part, we're gonna be going to Ulta and finding a makeup starter kit for people so that we can give it to them for free if they answer our tabulated questions.
Correct.
So I can't wait to.
I'm stoked. We've already got permission from a manager at Ulta, so don't come in the comments for us. Like, how rude. We're gonna wear a mask. Like, we're taking every. What am I trying to say? Every
precaution.
Every precaution.
Yeah. Our ultimate goal is to just make someone's day by giving them free makeup, and that's a good goal to have for the day, I think.
And it's a beautiful day. Good vibes. Perfect makeup.
We've already been in the park for a while. I'm already feeling the love.
Yeah.
So all we need to do is just go get the makeup
and spread the love.
Spread the love.
Spread the love.
All right,
so
well, let's go
do it.
then.
Let's
Okay.
do it. Okay. Okay, so that's yours.
Yes. Yeah, every time I drink coffee, I just like need to pee constantly.
Yeah, and wine. I don't know why it runs through me.
Well, maybe because you're drinking an entire bottle.
Yeah, no, that's true.
Well, from my rule is like, if you're good at something, don't ever do it for free.
No,
so
never. So this interaction, there's a fee.
Oh, okay.
I don't care.
Hugs and kisses.
Honey, pay
coffee?
my bills.
Coffee?
No, not even a free coffee does it, honey. I'm looking forward to like $80.
Oh, 80. Oh God. Well, I'll see you later. Bye.
Okay, bye. Just kidding.
I'm kind of sad because my mask is gonna cover up all this beautiful work that you've done.
I know. That's why it's always nice to make your eyeshadow stand out a little bit.
Yeah, the eyes are the windows to the soul, I think.
They are.
They don't see, but like, I look like a complete dork right now, just in the middle of the park holding up a phone. But
In reality,
I'm a rising star.
Yeah, you're a content creator.
Yes.
Going for the business, yeah.
I remember when you got into the newspaper too, right?
Oh yeah,
For,
like twice.
you know, not to brag or anything, but I was in the newspaper too when I was 9 years old.
For what?
There's this like craft fair, and one of the reporters just like came up to me because I was fascinated with this guy. His name was Dr. Einstein.
Okay.
Obviously not his real name, but
yeah.
he had these bottles with sand and like different materials in it, like glitter and stuff, and you would spin it around and it would look really cool. But I was just at his booth for like a half hour.
That
chilling.
sounds like you. Just
Yep.
like asking every question.
Pretty
How
much.
did you get started?
Yeah.
What made you start it?
But the reporter came up to me and was like, hey, what's your name? Is it okay if I put you in the paper? Blah, blah, blah. What's your parents' name? Yada, yada. Come to 2 days later, my parents wake up and they open up the newspaper and I'm on the front page. And they're like, Matt?
Did they have the consent? Like, did they give you the consent?
This was like, I mean, this was back in the day. So like,
Okay.
I guess they didn't ask the parents what
It was
but
a different time.
it was a different time. My parents had no idea I was going to be in the
That
newspaper.
is so funny. Oh my god.
And they were just like, why are you, what happened?
Like my little boy. I would have been so proud.
You think maybe Ulta or some other place would eventually stock your stuff around here?
I've actually tried. So you know, Safari Pearl. I reached out to them asking if I could put my makeup in their store. They said no, and I don't understand. It's like
Yeah,
awesome.
I get that.
But no, that's like another goal of mine.
Oh,
is to like
yeah.
have a store stock my shit.
I bet you in 4 years,
Okay.
you're getting
That's a good one.
10K subscribers. Okay?
I hope so. That'd be amazing.
And at 10, you're gonna have a makeup palette in a store.
Okay.
This is gonna happen.
That's
4 years
It is
from
gonna
now.
happen. It is gonna happen. It is. Like later on, I really want to open up a salon where ladies and guys can get their nails done, their makeup done, get lip fillers. Like I want the whole nine.
Oh, we made it up the hill finally. Man, I'm winded. I don't know about you.
I know, like
I need to get back in the
cut
States.
this part shit.
Yeah. Okay, so we're masked up and we're ready to go into the store, pick out some
ready?
stuff. I'm ready.
Okay.
I have no idea what we're gonna get anyone, but we'll see.
I think we need to get a palette, maybe a lipstick, and it'll be good. A good starter.
All right.
Let's do it.
Oh, you know what? We kind of need the
Questions.
Yes. We're really prepared today, aren't we? Should have had more coffee. Where did I put those? Did I put them in the center? Yeah, I did. Okay.
So eyes, lips, eyes and lips. Eyes and lips.
Okay.
Anastasia Beverly Hills palette.
Okay.
Because it's the shit.
Okay.
Or
We were just talking about it earlier,
or
weren't you?
Kim Kardashian, yeah. You need the modern Renaissance palette. It's like an everyday, it's iconic.
You think that's it's a solid like
oh my god
base
it's
pack? Okay.
Ask any lady in this room, they're gonna tell you this is like a really good palette.
Okay, sure. This guy knows what he's talking about, so I'll just trust you.
I wouldn't steer you in a wrong direction. So
okay.
The lucky winner is gonna get a really good palette.
I like the packaging.
Stunning. It's a lip kit for sure. And I think it needs to be like a bold color, a color that looks good on anyone. What's your favorite color?
I mean, I'm a sucker for red lipstick, to be honest. Like just bold, strong,
boss,
rose red.
Boss.
Boss.
Boss lip. A boss lip kit.
How much is that?
This is about like 18, I think.
Looks like it's 29, but that is okay.
I'm
That's
a liar.
totally fine. Okay. So that'd be 40 plus 70.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe not that lip, but something
similar.
Maybe $10 less, and then we can get the last thing.
NYX is a really good brand.
Okay.
Let's do that. It's common sense, you guys. But here we are.
Here we are.
Yeah, I love the store. Like, I could get lost.
And I love how it smells.
Mm-hmm. In like every section, there's like a different smell.
You did a different whiff
God,
of like
we're
something
going in the
different.
wrong
Yeah.
direction again.
Oh no! How did this happen?
Oh,
I trusted you.
So we do a liner and a lip. So it's like a lip kit. So you want to still do red?
Yes. Do you guys have a suggestion for like a lipstick color that you like?
A bold lip. Ooh.
Ooh, okay.
Okay.
Sure, we'll try that. Why not? Let's do it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, we got a peachy lip. So this is actually cool because it's a 2-in-1. So it's the lip pencil and the like applicator. So
oh, perfect.
Cool.
So they don't even need to get anything extra for that.
No.
Okay. Anything else that you think we should add to the?
A lip gloss.
These are glosses here. Okay. Look,
so,
how do I know where they?
You're coming to my throne. She did a peach, so I feel like it's only right if we did a peachy color. So maybe like fortune cookie would be cute, or tiramisu.
What does your heart tell you?
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Yeah.
Tiramisu. Tiramisu.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're good.
So this is it.
All right.
Perfect.
Do you have like
Thank
a
you.
box or anything like that by any chance? Or?
We don't right now.
Okay, that's fine.
That's all good.
You want to save 20% and get a free gift? You can get started with the Ulta one.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much. Did we get it?
Yeah, we got it. Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Yeah, you too. Bye. Have a good day.
How you doing, bud?
I'm doing great. It's a little hot.
Burning up a little bit.
We're just waiting for our victim.
Yes, yes.
And interrogate them a little bit. And see if they know any fun facts about makeup. So
I really hope that the questions are not too difficult because I tried to make them
yeah,
as
we
easy
did our
as
research,
possible.
you guys. We try to like not dumb them down, but make them easy in a sense. But they're kind of off the wall questions. They really are.
Okay, now we just gotta wait. So we already failed on one person.
So if anything fails, we're gonna hire an
No, we are not. Mac does not do that ever. What are you talking about? Ooh, okay. Yes. So I got an icebreaker first. This is just a question. It's not just have a right or wrong answer, okay? The icebreaker is, would you date a man who wears makeup?
Whenever my husband gets drunk, he plays with makeup. Yeah.
That's really cool. That's cool.
One of my coworkers would wear makeup all the time, and that's the thing.
Yeah.
Anybody can wear it.
See, the thing is, like, he's getting me more and more into makeup and stuff because I was like really standoffish for a long time about it. But now I don't know, I feel pretty confident. I think it's kind of cool.
I mean, he has makeup, but it was for ages. I guess that's it.
Okay, so here's the first question. Neon nail polish is illegal in A, 8 states, B, 1 state, and C, every state. And
Did you say legal or illegal?
illegal. And here, you can have this to look at. You have a lifeline. So a lifeline is if you get one wrong, then it's so you get +1 life if you get one wrong. And I'll give you a hint. This one is the hardest question of them all.
You vote A.
In 8 states, that is incorrect. It is actually C in every state. Supposedly.
What?
Basically, the neon just hasn't been approved by the FDA. So you can have like yellow shades and stuff like neon, the neon color itself. So you got one wrong already. That's quite all right. Okay. Question number 2. The word cosmetic has a Greek origin. Which Greek word was it derived from? Is it A, the word cosmos, which means to adorn or arrange. B, the word agape, which means love and adoration. Or C, the word syndio, which means to attach or imply. A, you are correct. Yes, it is cosmos, which means to adorn or arrange. Okay, so you got one. That's good. Okay, here's the next question. What is carmine pigment made from? Is it dried red peppers, crushed beetles, or C, both?
It could be both, but I know there's crushed beetles in it.
Yeah, I definitely heard that there's beetles, but I didn't know what
B.
B, crushed beetles? That is correct.
Because you can't put peppers in your eyeballs.
Yeah, that's what I've heard.
Perfect, okay, good. You guys got a brain on you, that's great. To make eyeshadow and lipstick glimmer, what has historically been added? A, fish scales, B, eucalyptus leaves, or C, graphites?
Hey!
You got it correct, awesome, okay. All right, we're in the final stretch here, we got 2 more questions. Cleopatra was said to have soaked her ship sails in blank, so everyone could notice her arrival. Is it A, cow manure, B, perfume, or C, whale fat?
Does it even have perfume?
Yes.
Is it? Okay.
Okay, you say perfume, but I think it'd be funny if it was whale fat.
It'd be really funny if it was whale fat, but it's...
You are correct, it is actually perfume. So, and I thought it was crazy too that they had perfume all the way back then.
know.
But that's kind of
Everything
cool.
about
I kind of gave her a little more respect now, actually. And then the last question, on average, how much do makeup consumers spend on products in their lifetime? Is it $30,000, $6,000, or $15,000?
I mean, makeup's fucking expensive. But yeah, then there's like girls that even don't wear makeup. So,
C.
yeah.
C is correct. It's $15,000. That's awesome. Okay, and then we actually got you a makeup starter kit. So we have a palette in here, and what's the other things that we have?
A palette, a lip product, and a gloss.
Yeah, so here you go.
Thank
And you guys
you.
can share it with one another, whatever you guys need or desire or whatnot. So
We appreciate it.
yeah, no problem. Thanks for being in our video.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Oh, that turned out well.
So that was everything. So happy with our winners.
Yeah, I feel good. We gave away $62 today.
How do you feel? Like,
Well, what I liked about it was that they were saying that they aren't really into makeup.
yeah, and they
So like,
they still
I
did
thought
it.
this might be like a good like starter pack for them.
There you go.
They-
That's actually really true. Yeah. So-
yeah, they got all the questions
Yeah.
right, which is good. I mean, well, they got the first one wrong, but
Right.
you know, it's whatever.
But you guys, we didn't film this. We did ask other people, but they were not wanting to be on camera.
Yeah,
And-
unfortunately, yeah. This happened in my other video. Like sometimes you just have to keep asking until someone's chill with it, you know?
Yeah,
And that's all about respecting people's boundaries, you know? If they
Yeah.
don't want to be on film or on camera, then we're not gonna put them on film or
Respect
camera.
it. Yeah, respect it.
Dude, I'm so
It's a
glad that we
wrap.
were able to
I'm
hang out
happy.
today
Me too. It was
and
good.
make a video together. This
It
is
was so
great.
good. Time to get a little snacky snack.
Now let's get some smoothies.
Get some smoothies. Yeah.
Cheers to a successful day.
Cheers.
Who tryna go? Who gon' drop it down like it's money on the floor? Who tryna bust it for the dollars? Who tryna freak, bring her home, girl, and run it? She my spicy little mama. She let me bust a pinata. I buy her all the designer, but she still leaving tomorrow. Who tryna slide for the night? Who tryna wipe an eye? Say my name, say my name.